Hello everyone and welcome to the class once again. And in today's English class, we are going to continue the written practice of letters in cursive. And of course, we are going to revise the phonic sounds also. In the last class, we have done letters from A to N. And in this class, we are going to continue from O to Z or Z. Now pay attention here. Again, you're going to make a slant from the lower blue line till upper blue line. Make a curve and bring it down. Again, bring it upward and then a tail or a slant. This is letter P. P says pa. Again, a slanting line till red line and a downward stroke. Then again, bring it upward till blue line and make a curve, and then again a tail or a slant. This is letter Q. Q says kya. Again a slanting line, make a curve, bring it downwards, make an oval like O, and again a slanting line till the lower red line, again upward stroke till the upper blue line. This is letter R. R says R. Again a slanting line from the lower blue line till upper blue line, make a loop, again a curve, bring it to the upper blue line, again a lower slanting line, and again a tail or a slant. This is letter S. S says sa. Again a slanting line from the lower blue line till upper, make a loop, and again make a curve, then bring it backward and a tail. This is letter T. T says ta. Again a slanting line from the lower blue line till upper red line, bring it downwards, and again a tail like L, and after that one sleeping line here above the upper blue line. This is U. U says A. Again a slanting line till upper blue line, a downward stroke, again upward stroke, again a downward stroke, and a tail or a slant. This is V. V says Wa. Again a slanting line from the lower to upper blue line, bring it downwards, then make a curve and bring it upwards, again a small loop and a tail or a slant. Now this is W. W says Wa. Again a slanting line from the lower blue line to the upper blue line, downward stroke and upward stroke, again a downward stroke and again upward stroke with a small loop, a small tail or a slant. This is X, letter X. X says Xa. Again a slanting line from the lower blue line till upper blue line, make a curve and bring it downwards, again make a curve, bring it upwards, and again by making a curve touch the upper blue line and bring it downwards again and a tail or a slant till the upper blue line. This is letter Y. Y says Ya. Again we are going to start from the slanting line, bring it downwards and make a letter U. Again after making U, bring it downwards till the red line, and after forming a loop, a small slant or a tail. This is letter Z. Z says Z. Z or Z. Z says Z. Now again a slanting line from the lower blue line till upper blue line, and after making a curve, bring it downwards to the lower blue line. Again a curve till the lower red line, make a loop and a small slant till the upper blue line. So that was all for today's class. We have done the written practice of all the cursive alphabets. Do practice at home, and I would request the parents also to please make your child practice. Then only the objective of e-learning will be achieved. Thank you so much and see you in the next class.